Hey guys, my name's Dr. Gana with Atlas Natural Medicine. I wanted to take some time today, just go over a little routine that I do to kind of help with the low back, the hips, pelvis as far as foam rolling. So just follow along or watch the video a couple times and you can go ahead and do it. Again, we're going to start on one side and we'll go all the way over to the other side. So I do a little routine. So we're going to start on the left, we'll end on the right. So if we come down here, first thing we want to do, bottom leg's going to stay straight out. Second leg's going to come over the top, right? So the top leg's coming over the top. I'm going to lean forward. As I lean forward, I'm putting some pressure, some weight on this leg, and I'm also putting some pressure on this arm. I'm going to control it with my hand. I want to do 5 to 10 rolls, and the lower I go down towards that knee, the more sore, the more painful it's going to be. So give me 5 good rolls here. Second one, we're going to kick back, kind of shift our hip, and we're going to get that hamstring. We're going to do 5 nice clean rolls there. Now if you take a look, I'm only really doing the hamstring, so I'm only going from the bottom of the glute to that top of that knee. So only rolling 6 to 8, maybe 8 to 10 inches on that one. Again, 5 good rolls there. And then what I want to do is bring my knees up to 90. Still on the left side, we're going to roll that glute. Again, just look how far we're doing it. Only a couple inches I'm leaning. Rolling a couple inches. Let's say 5 to 10 rolls again there. Next, we're going to pick this leg up. We pick the leg up, we're still doing that same side, same left side, and you're going to find a little pocket. You might have to twist a little bit. When you find that pocket, it's going to be sore, kind of achy. I want you to roll in there 5, 10 times again. Now, after we do those 4, what I like to do is just slide down. As I slide down, I get that mid to low back. So on that same side, I'm going to put some weight on my elbow, and I can put some weight on my knees. I'm going from the top of the rib cage to the bottom of that, or the bottom of the rib cage to the top of that iliac crest. So I'm just going to roll 5 to 10 times there. Again, you can notice I'm only rolling about 4, maybe 6 inches there. And then what we can do is just shift right to the center, get that mid back. What I find is there's a lot of stretches for the neck, low back. Sometimes that mid back gets ignored or dismissed. So roll 5 to 10 times on that mid back and then repeat on the other side. So we're going to move over to the right. Going to use that arm, that shoulder, that leg, take some of the weight off. Again, just rolling from the top of the iliac crest to the bottom of that rib cage. Then, once we go there, we're going to jump back up and just repeat. So we're going to find that little pocket, get that gap. And again, it's going to be pretty achy. It's kind of like a deep sore ache. So we'll roll that 5 to 10 times. Still on that glute, 5 to 10 times on that right side. We're going to shift, get that hamstring. Leg is in the back side here. Roll 5 to 10 times, and then we're going to swing this over the top again, control with the top. And we're going to roll that TFL there. So here's the deal. Why do we do that? Well, it's a good thing to start off with when you wake up. It's also a good thing to do if you're going to work out, do some legs, or just in general, just a good foam roll routine. So start on one side and on the other. We'll see you guys later. Thanks.